Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can fix problem. Problem is that when you just log in your Apple ID account, and you may face that problem that you cannot receive a verification code in your number, maybe in your email. So you have to fix that issue in easy way. First of all, you have to follow the steps to do that. Simply just have to go back and simply just have to tap on settings, and let's go to the main interface of your iPhone settings. And first of all, the first problem is that maybe your network problem, so you have to resolve first of all your network problem. So make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnected. Before going to disconnect a VPN, you just simply have to just go to general and just scroll down and just find a VPN. Just tap on that VPN, and here you will just disconnect the VPN from here. And after that, just simply you have to just go back and simply just have to go again back. So make sure that your network is not gonna problem right now when you're receiving the code. Simply just have to make sure that setting, and after that this will be you have to just find a notification banner option. Just tap on that, and to have to make sure that you just not allow all notifications according to the code. So whenever you code receive, you just pop up on the top of your iPhone. So just like that, you just have to just tap on show previews. Just tap on that, and see that there is a three option. Just always select always. After this, you have to just go back and just scroll down, and here you're showing the all the apps where you can show notifications. So you simply have to just find messages. Just find messages, and here just tap on that, and you have to make sure that you just tap on three of that banners, notification centers, and lock screen. Tap on that, and also select allow notifications, and just scroll down and see there's an option announce notification. Just tap on that, and also allow announce notification. Just tap on that too also. And after that setting, just go back again back. And after that setting, if you did not get a code, simply just have to just go to general section and just scroll down and just go to the transfer reset button. Just tap on that and just tap on reset, and these are network settings. After that, simply just have to go back and again back of your iPhone, and simply again to the software update. Just tap on that, and you have to make sure that you just use the updated version of your iOS. So after updating the iOS version, simply have to go back and restart your iPhone, and again on your iPhone, and try to connect with your Wi-Fi. Make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi connection, and make sure your problem gonna fix. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.